And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 22, verse 1 to 2. Some years later, God decided to test Abraham, so he spoke to him. Abraham answered, "Here I am, Lord." The Lord said, "Go get Isaac, your only son, the one you dearly love. Take him to the land of Moriah, and I will show you a mountain where you must sacrifice him to me on the fire of an altar." So in this passage, we can see that indeed the Lord tests Abraham's trust, confidence, and his faith by telling him to offer his son as a fragrant offering in the land of Moriah on a certain mountain. And if you continue reading, we can see that Abraham indeed obeyed the Lord, and by going to the land of Moriah in a certain mountain, then time came that he will put a dagger unto his son, and the Lord once again tell him and called unto him and to not to kill his son, hence saving the life of Isaac. And of course, he passed the test of the Lord, and as we all knew, because of that, the Lord blesses Abraham by his faith.